Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace rear window regulator guys on Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX first generation guys. Both of the vehicles share the same platform, many of the parts are interchangeable and the procedures to actually remove and replace them are actually the same. Stay with us and we will show you guys how to remove and replace rear window regulator. We will demonstrate on the rear left, but the rear right will be the same way. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we make at least 200 videos. Why guys? Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy a new regulator, replacement parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and we'll guys share all that information with you. So this now, okay, right here, this is the regulator guys for the rear window on 2009 Ford Edge guys, okay, and we'll show you what needs to be done to remove and replace it. It will take quite a bit of work. Stay with us and we'll show you guys how to do that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. What we need to do, we need to get a small flat head screwdriver. We need to open one cap in the interior door handle right there. Once we do that, okay, we need a small Torx. Okay, let me find it somewhere here guys. Torx 20 star looking bit. Okay, I think it's this one right there. Perfect. Go ahead and remove this one now all the way. Okay, great guys. What we need to do, we need to get a plastic panel remover tool. We need to remove that cover for the interior door handle. Okay, just like that. You can see came out. Now what else guys we need to do? We need to go ahead, okay, and remove another bolt right there with 732 socket guys. There is one screw hidden in the door handle. Go ahead and pull that thing out all the way. Perfect, you can see it's out. Now we have a few more screws that we need to remove in order to be able to pull the door panel out. Okay, Phillips head screwdriver, and here we have one screw, one on the bottom, perfect. Now we probably have some underneath guys, and we most likely, okay, we have two underneath guys that we need to remove as well. One towards the front, okay, perfect. Now we have two more. Okay, one Phillips screw right here and one towards the top. So you can see we got all of those out. Now good thing about that door panel is not held in place by too many clips, maybe 3 or 4, I think probably 3, because you can see how many screws we had, so that's a good thing. Now we'll get a plastic panel remover too, get underneath somewhere, pry, okay, and pull up, come out of the lock, and now we need to disconnect the switch guys, okay, the window switch right there. Press in, pull out. Now let us show you where all the clips are located guys. One clip, two clips, okay, I think here maybe that's a clip too, let me see. Well, maybe not. So not very many clips guys, as you can see, that hold the door panel in place. Now we have the ignition key on, we install the window switch guys, and here there is one cap that we need to remove. By removing that cap, okay, we need to bring the window down until we see that bolt here guys. So okay, quick, let me do something. We probably have the windows deactivated on the front, so you gotta make sure that you do that. Now right here we bring the window down right there guys. Okay, this is the bolt that we're looking at. Now what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and disconnect. Okay, we'll turn the ignition switch off, so okay, we don't need to worry about leaving it on. So Torx 30 guys, Torx 30 started looking bit okay right there, and we're going to go ahead and start getting that bolt loose. Okay, all we have to do, get it loose. Do not remove it all the way guys, very important. Get it loose a couple revolutions. Okay, that's it. Now, if you grab the window, okay, it should come up. If you grab it with your hands, okay, you should be able to bring it up guys, to come out of the holder. Let's see. Oh, it's still holding, so the front ones, you don't have to take them off. Let me see if you have to do the same thing, okay, for the rear ones, or the rear one, okay, the design maybe to where you take it off. We don't know for sure. So let's go ahead and take the whole screw off. Make sure you don't drop it in. It has thread locker, blue thread locker guys. Now, if we grab the window, it should come up. Okay, perfect. What we'll do, we'll get duct tape and we're going to tape it up guys. Okay, I dropped it down a little bit, so let's pull it a little bit more up. Okay, perfect. And install the duct tape. I would even recommend to use 2 duct tapes, one on each side, but even one will hold it for us. So we can continue with the next step. Next guys, 10mm socket, and we're going to remove quite a few bolts. Okay, perfect. You can see they came out just like that guys. Now, what else we need to do? Here now guys, okay, most likely the door lock actuator bracket with the exterior door handle and you can see the that plate that holds the window regulator all will come in one piece, because right here you have 2 bolts holding everything together. So the correct way to do that now guys is to actually get the door lock actuator loose. Okay, this is a Torx 25 guys, Torx 25 start looking bit, and we will go ahead, okay, and remove, okay, the 3 screws here. So we just get them loose. We can get the little screwdriver and take them off just to pre-loosen them. You can see the original door at Ford, it's not even painted here guys, that's crazy. Okay, so we'll go ahead, the electric screwdriver guys, we'll have it listed in the description of the video below. Super handy too guys, this thing is simply amazing. So go ahead, take them off. They have blue thread locker guys, I can see that on the bolts, so they do not get loose from vibrations. Okay, perfect. Now, what else we need to do? We need to come on the outside guys, we need to start with the door handle. Okay, we need to remove the door handle. How? Right here guys, okay, there is one cap, and on the cap, check it out, it even tells you that it's a Torx screw guys. Okay, it has a Torx sign on it. Okay, and I just dropped it under the tire. So here there is one bolt, okay, with Torx. Torx 20, okay, we got it in. Now get it loose just a little bit, not enough to come out all the way. Okay, that's it. Now open the door handle a little bit, pull that piece out, grab the handle, pull it back, disconnect it, remove it. You can see it comes out like that. Now right here, this is a Torx, okay, Torx 25. Start looking bit again guys, right here. Go ahead, pull, remove that one. Okay, this one you will need to remove it guys, almost all the way. Maybe, let me see. Yeah, let's remove it all the way, because it doesn't want to slide out. So if we remove it all the way, it will come out easier. You don't have to, I think, but we'll just go ahead and do that. Okay, perfect. Now door handle is loose on the inside. What else we have holding here guys? Not very much. We need to grab that panel. Okay, come out a little bit. You can see where the window regulator is. come in an angle. Now here you have to be careful, guys. Okay, you need to come around the rail. Super complicated design, by the way. Okay, and here we get stuck now. So let's see, guys, what else we need to do. Or we will need to, okay, get, okay, the wires loose a little bit there so we can get a little bit more slack so we can tilt it, guys. We have a few clips. With a clip removal tool. We just go ahead and pull it out. Okay, it got stuck a little bit there at the corner. So let's see now what's going to happen, guys. So we'll remove the door speaker, guys, so we can actually see if we can flip the panel this way so it can come out. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, there is 2 screws that you can reach now from the back, and with 8mm go ahead and remove those if you want to. It's your, okay, it's your decision, guys. So okay, this is all 4 screws. Now we'll remove the door speaker, disconnect it, okay, and get it out of the way. Now the window motor wire, disconnect it there, slide it out, perfect. Now let's go ahead and see, okay, what will happen here and if we can get more slack out of it, guys. Okay, if it can come loose or we won't be able to. Okay, oh, right here we got stuck, yep, in that lock. So now, still won't be enough, guys, okay, but if we disconnect the cable, okay, right there for the door lock actuator, okay, it got stuck underneath there, we'll be able to pull it out. Okay, get the wiring harness out, guys, all the way out. You can see now we can tilt it a little bit. Our door is smashed too, guys, so maybe it has something to do with that. Our door is hit here, so maybe this is why it doesn't want to come out as well, guys. Okay, let's give it a second. Okay, right there, guys. Now the only difference it took a little bit longer is because you can see our door is hit, and as a result we have less room to work with, so we will actually just straighten it a little bit with the foot. So you can see the whole assembly came out just like that. So for the rear window regulator now we have to remove the rear window motor, guys. 3 screws with Torx 20 star looking bit, Torx 20, guys. We remove those. Grab it and pull that motor out. Now we're going to turn it on the other side. Okay, here we have 3 clips, 3 legs holding that thing with double clips on each one of them. So squish towards each other and push it in, guys. Okay. We're loose now. Okay, we came out. Now on this side, I think we just have 2 screws that we need to remove with 8mm socket, guys. 2 screws and there, okay, right here, 1, 2, right there. So let's get the screwdriver again. I'm telling you, that screwdriver is a lifesaver. Pull it out, guys. Now if you need to buy a new window regulator, okay, and you want to see where you can get one from for a good price, check out, guys, the link in the description of the video below. But that's how you guys remove it. Installation, practically everything else is in reverse order. We took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.